Welcome to yet another episode of Neora. Today we are gonna see some of the budget-friendly lights from IKEA. First, we are gonna see a pendant lamp of rupees 579. The shade provides directional light over the dining table and spreads a pleasant diffuse light into the room. This light is good for lighting up bar tops and dining table. Bulb is not available with this lamp. We have to buy LED E27 bulb separately. Next we are gonna see LED mini lamp of rupees 199. This is fully battery operated LED mini lamp. Batteries are not available with this lamp. Batteries are sold separately. So we need to buy 3 pieces of 1.5V batteries. So when we open this cover, there is a light inside of this cover and a sticker is also available. So we can stick this sticker in the bottom of this light and we can stick it wherever we want to stick. And we can open the back lid and we can put the batteries here and we can close the lid. So this is how this LED light works. This light is more suitable for the small spaces like this. So I fixed this light here. You can fix this light inside the cupboard or small drawer or something like that. You can switch on the light by pressing the light and turn off if you press the light once again. And you can rotate the light and you can remove the light from the wall and you can change the batteries. Next we are gonna see a work lamp of rupees 399. This is one of the top seller product in IKEA. Like the other lights, bulb is not available with this light. We have to buy LED E14 bulb separately. This light provides directed light that is great for reading. This work lamp is recycled plastic, has received the International Designer Award. It provides a functional directed light and is easy to match with interior and move around the home. This is the another floor lamp that I bought from IKEA for rupees 999. With this lamp, bulb is not available. We have to buy E27 LED bulb separately. It spreads pleasant diffusible light into the room. This is LED clamp spotlight of rupees 1290. We don't need to buy any bulb for this because bulb is already included in this light. You can light up even the smallest space in your home and put into practical use with this super slim lamp. These lamps are easy to use anywhere in the home and provide good and glare-free light. You can easily direct the lamp where you want it because the lamp arm and head are adjustable. The lamp is lightweight and easy to move anywhere you need it, and it simply clamps firmly in place. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. I will come with a very good content soon. Till then, see you. Bye bye.